In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to Outlook email messages. By the end, you'll be able to turn any selected words or an image in your email into a clickable link that takes your recipient exactly where you want them to go. This works great for directing people to a web page, a shared document, or a resource you reference in your message. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. From here, you can either create a brand new message or open an existing conversation and choose to reply. Both options work the same way for adding links. If you are linking text, type your sentence first so you can clearly choose which words should be clickable. If you are linking an image, make sure the image you want to use is already in the body of your email so you can select it. Now, highlight the exact words you want to make clickable, or click once on the image to select it. With your selection ready, you have a few ways to open the linking tools. The quickest is to right-click your selected text or image and choose Link, sometimes labeled Hyperlink, from the menu that appears. If you prefer the ribbon, go to the Insert tab along the top and click Link there. And if you love keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl-K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog instantly. When the Insert Hyperlink box appears, look for the address field at the bottom. This is where you'll paste the full web address for your link. Use the complete URL, including the HTTPS portion, to make sure Outlook recognizes it properly. If you highlighted text, the display in your email will stay exactly as you selected. You are only changing where it points when someone clicks. If you selected an image, that image will become the clickable element. After you've pasted the address, click OK to confirm. You'll see your selected text appear as a hyperlink style, or your image will now function as a link. That's all there is to it. If you change your mind or pasted the wrong address, you can undo right away or repeat the process to update the link with the correct destination. You are all set to add hyperlinks to your Outlook emails quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.